So in this clip, I'm going to show you how to quilt our flat pot holder. So you have your batting in, and you want to just go ahead and pin it down. Just put enough pins so that fabric isn't shifting around. And what we're going to do is actually use the designs of the pot holder fabric, and we're going to quilt around them, and we're going to quilt through all 3 layers. So you just take it to the machine and you just start quilting. Just stitch all the way around the design that you're going to be stitching on. Trim your excess, and then you just pick another design and go ahead. And you could just have as many design quilted as you want. If you want to do all of them, or if you just want to randomly pick a few, it's up to you. And if this fabric was, say, stripes or something that had a more like linear pattern, then it could be really fun to just go ahead and run with the exact same length of the pattern and just keep quilting the entire thing. So after you've finished quilting as many little designs as you want, we're going to go ahead and take out all the pins, and then we're going to close up this last little seam.